What if I told you that everything your overworked, overpaid data science team has been doing for the past 5 years could be replaced by a single AI tool? No, seriously. While your data team debated dashboards, Abacus quietly walked in and automated their entire workflow. Let's dive into why your data team might need to update their resumes, and why that might actually be the best news you've heard all year. Fact 1. Superhuman speed. Let's start with the obvious. Abacus AI processes data at speeds that make your human team look like they're analyzing spreadsheets with an actual abacus. We're talking about complex models built in minutes, not weeks. Is your data scientist spending 3 days cleaning data sets? Abacus does it in seconds. The report that takes your team 2 weeks. Abacus knocks it out before your coffee has time to cool. But speed without accuracy is like having a Ferrari with no steering wheel. Impressively dangerous. So what happens when this AI doesn't just work faster than humans, but actually outperforms them? Spoiler alert, those years of experience? Not the flex they thought it was. Fact 2. Uncanny accuracy. Abacus AI isn't just fast, it's scary accurate. While humans typically introduce errors through fatigue, bias, or simply having an off day after someone ate their labeled lunch from the office fridge, Abacus maintains consistent precision. It finds what your team misses, flags what they ignore, and delivers insights so sharp they'd make a statistician nervous. The precision is so good it's almost unfair, like bringing a quantum computer to a calculator fight. Speaking of unfair advantages, remember when companies needed entire departments to handle what Abacus can do with a few clicks? Let's talk about how this AI isn't just replacing people, it's demolishing entire organizational charts. Fact 3. End-to-end solution. The days of needing separate specialists for data engineering, analysis, visualization, and interpretation are over. Abacus AI handles the entire pipeline, from ingesting raw data to delivering boardroom-ready insights and visualizations. It's like having your data engineer, analyst, visualization expert, and interpreter all rolled into one tireless package that never asks for raises or vacation time, or complains about the office temperature. The all-in-one approach doesn't just save money, it eliminates the communication breakdowns that happen when insights pass through multiple human hands. But AI can't understand context like humans, said everyone who hasn't seen what's coming next. Hold on to your dashboards, because the way Abacus handles domain knowledge might be the most disruptive part yet. Fact 4. Contextual intelligence. Abacus doesn't just crunch numbers, it actually understands business context. Through advanced natural language processing, it comprehends industry jargon, recognizes business-specific relationships in data, and frames insights in terms of actual business outcomes, not just statistical significance. Abacus can tell the difference between a concerning trend and a seasonal fluctuation. Most impressively, it explains its findings in plain language, making complex statistical concepts accessible to everyone from the CEO to the marketing intern. Now for the part that keeps data scientists awake at night. What happens when the AI doesn't just match human creativity, but actually starts thinking outside the spreadsheet? The final nail in the resume coffin is coming up. Fact 5. Creative insights. The most irreplaceable human quality was supposed to be creativity. Until now, Abacus AI doesn't just answer the questions you ask, it proactively identifies questions you should be asking. It generates hypotheses, tests them automatically, and surfaces unexpected correlations you never thought to explore. While your data team is proudly presenting findings you specifically requested, Abacus is already exploring the next 3 levels of implications and possibilities you never even considered. So what's left for your human data team? Strategy, ethics, oversight. By taking over the tedious stuff, Abacus AI lets data teams focus on what really matters, the kind of thinking only humans can do. The data revolution isn't coming, it's here, and Abacus AI isn't just participating, it's leading the charge. The question isn't whether AI will replace your data team, it's whether you'll be ahead of the curve or playing catch up when it does. If you found this mind-blowing, hit subscribe for more tech disruptions that are changing the game while everyone else is still learning the rules. Until next time, this is the enhanced future. Stay curious and stay ahead.